Hi, here is a quick video that shows you how you can award tokens to a student. You will first go to the site tokenrewards.com and click the login button up at the top here. Should be the same username, your Gmail address at dellastudent.com, same old lovely password. Click login. You will then be able to go to participants. And you can see your students here. You can sort them by name. You can come up here to the top and actually type in a name. I'm going to type in, I don't know, Jacoby. And it'll pull up our friend Jacoby here. You can see the balance he has, how many he's earned, and how many he spent. So if you want to award tokens to Jacoby or any student, you can click the plus sign next to earned. There is a description here. If I say for map testing, we'll give a little more specific, fall 2018 map testing. You can actually click reusable here, and it will allow you to pull this one up the next time you want to give these tokens. But you would type in the token amount there and 2,400 or whatever token amount we are giving them, and then you would hit save. And again, if you clicked reusable and you went to enter this in, you can see here are the ones that I have reused from last year. Any one of these, I could just come in here and it would automatically award him the tokens that I designated. And then when you are done and you hit save, it will automatically send an email to the student letting them know that they have been awarded those tokens. And then the students can come in and spend whatever token money they want to. Hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.